Brunch here once again, and welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be making a really thick and creamy mushroom soup. I do love a soup, don't you? Especially when it's cold and wintry outside. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You'll see all of my future videos and all the old ones. I'm sure there's one out there that you're going to enjoy. So without further ado, let's make a start, and we'll start with the ingredients. 250 grams or 8 ounces of chopped mushrooms, 2 chopped onions, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, cream to taste as much as you want, 45 grams or 1.5 ounces of butter, some salt and pepper to taste, and of course half a litre of chicken stock or 1 pint. First we put a pan on the hob, medium heat, and in with our butter. We're going to give this a little bit of a swish around on that hot pan and melt it down nicely. Then we can add our chopped up onions. In they go. Now we're going to cook these down until they're soft. Not brown, just soft and tender. Flavour changes completely, they will get nice and sweet. Then we can add the garlic. We don't want to fry this off too quickly because it might burn and it'll taste a bit on the bitter side. So just a little while will do. Then we can add our chopped up mushrooms and give these a nice stir around. You'll find that they absorb all of that lovely tasty butter. Sweat them down a bit until they look like this. Then we're going to go in with half a litre of really good chicken stock, add some seasoning, some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. Oh, I do love my pepper. We'll give that a little extra grind. Then a bay leaf, fresh from my garden. Give this a stir. We're going to cook this down for about 20 minutes. Remove the bay leaf and we're going to add 2 heaped tablespoons full of cornstarch just to thicken it up really nicely. We'll give that a stir, and as the temperature rises that will turn really gloopy and tasty. Then we can whiz it up with our little whizzer. In we go with a stick blender. If you haven't got one of these, you can use a food processor. Make that really nice and fine. Boy guys, I can tell you this smells so good, and it's looking good too. So now it's time to add some cream, as little or as much as you want. Put that in, give that a stir, and now that is looking magnificent, don't you think? Get that all incorporated, and then we can plate it up. Into a bowl, we go with 1 ladle full. That's not enough. 2 ladles full. That'll do. A little bit more cream over the top. We're going to give that a little tiny stir. And of course, a little bit of green stuff on top of that. A little bit of parsley. Pop a couple of bits on there, just to make it look good. And time for a taste test. Wow. Well, there it is guys. 1 spoonful of delicious thick and creamy mushroom soup. And boy, that is the spot. That is so tasty. Lovely with a bit of crusty bread. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to enjoy this soup, that's for sure. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.